The investigative personality is naturally curious and inquisitive. They're theoretical and analytic in outlook with a need to understand, explain, and predict the things going on. They're scholarly and scientific and critical of non-scientific or supernatural explanations. They're task-oriented rather than people-focused. They prefer to think through problems rather than act them out. They don't like highly structured situations with a lot of rules. They frequently have unconventional values and attitudes, and they're usually creative and original. Go to the next slide for examples of investigative career positions. Artistic personalities are usually creative, intuitive, sensitive, emotional, and complicated. They like to be different and stand out from the crowd. They prefer to be without supervision. They usually describe themselves as independent, original, unconventional, expressive, and tense. They place a great value on beauty and aesthetics. They like to work in places with opportunities for self-expression. They prefer to work alone and are assertive about their opinions. The social personality is friendly, enthusiastic, and outgoing. They're usually cooperative and like working with others. They like to deal with philosophical issues like the purpose of life, religion, and morality. They're usually responsible, humanistic, and concerned with the welfare of others. They express themselves well and seek situations that let them be near the center of a group. They like to solve problems through discussion. They prefer not to work with machinery or physically exert themselves. They usually describe themselves as cheerful, popular, and achieving. Enterprising people are outgoing, persuasive, and usually optimistic. They like to organize, direct, manage, and control activities. They're ambitious and like to be in positions of power. They're adventurous, impulsive, assertive, and have effective speaking skills. They see themselves as energetic, enthusiastic, confident, and dominant in social situations. They're impatient with detail-type work and don't like long periods of intellectual effort. They like material wealth and working in expensive settings. And finally, conventional people. They're well organized, persistent, and practical in how they approach life. They like clerical and computational activities performed according to set procedures. They're usually very dependable, efficient, and conscientious in accomplishing tasks. They enjoy the security of belonging to organizations, make good team members, and generally don't seek leadership positions. They describe themselves as conventional, stable, well-controlled, and dependable. They're not interested in work requiring physical skills or intense relationships with others. So what do you think? Is there any benefit in treating a career as if it has a personality, just like people do? In the same way that friends with similar personalities and interests tend to have satisfying relationships, when people match their own personalities to careers, it usually works out well and lasts a long time.